Embrace decision making. I can't even explain to you how many people that I've personally coached out of the hundreds of thousands of people I've spoken to all around the United States. I can tell you one of the hardest things for people is embracing decision making. They don't like it. They don't feel comfortable with it. You'd be surprised how many people out there, they don't feel comfortable taking the lead. They don't feel comfortable being the quote unquote the man, quote unquote the woman. And for you to get over fear, we must embrace decision making. When people ask you where do you want to eat, yes, even though it may not be a big deal, embrace that. Give your opinion on the little things like that. When you're at work, when you're at your business, when you're at the things that you're doing that require other people to make decisions. If you're asked for your opinion, give it. If you're asked for your opinion, say it. Embrace decision making. Take that leadership role that you're given. Take this leadership role that people are asking you to be in. It's up to you though to open the door and sit in the car. It's up to you to go for it. It's up to you to do it. It's up for you to embrace the idea that you can be a leader. And the more you embrace the decision making factor, the more you embrace decision making in your life in general, the stronger of a leader you're going to be, the stronger of a person you're going to be, the stronger and more confidence you're going to have, and the stronger of the attitude, and the better the attitude and the more positivity you're going to be able to attract, because people are going to be attracted to the leader. People are going to be attracted to you because you're the new leader. People want you to win. People want you to succeed, but it's really up to you on whether or not you want to take this leadership role. And if you want to completely annihilate fear, if you want to be absolutely 100% fearless in your life, this is a step we're going to have to do, and embrace decision making and make decisions, and know that every decision we make will not be the best one. We're going to make decisions that are going to go wrong. We're going to make decisions that were clearly the wrong one after we see the results. We're going to make decisions that we're going to say, wow, why did I do that? We're going to make decisions and wonder what happened. But that's okay, because the other decisions we're doing are going to be the correct ones. The other decisions is a learning curve. The decisions that don't go the right way, it's okay, because we're going to learn from those mistakes and we're going to improve, and we're going to get better and better and better. And the better you get at things, the more confidence you get. The more confidence you're going to get, the more you're going to want to embrace the decision-making process. The more you're going to embrace the decision-making process, the less fear you're going to have. The less fear you have, you become fearless.